ऑफ रहते हैं तुम लोगों का. Okay. Good morning, class 8. So today we'll continue with worksheet number 30. Yesterday we discussed the few of the MCQs. Let's have a look again. First is read the following statements and select the correct option. Statement 1. Earthquake is caused by the sudden movements in the tectonic plates. Statement 2 is the intensity of the earthquake is measured by the Richter scale. So as you are saying that C part is correct option for it. Let's go for the next one. A lightning conductor is installed on a building so that it collects the electric power, repels the lightning, forces the lightning. So it is a D part, conduct electric charge to the ground. If you live in an earthquake prone area, what would you do? So can I have the right option from your side? What will we do?
Ma'am, first, second, third, and are correct.
So
First,
means
second, third,
C
and fourth
option
are
is correct. C option is correct option. Number 4. When two bodies are rubbed against each other, they acquire equal and similar charges. They acquire equal and opposite charges. Means the charges are equal, only either they are equal or either they are opposite charges. So I hope each one of you have done. Let's continue with the next part. The outermost layer of earth is made up of dash. The outermost layer of
fragment.
earth fragments, or you may write down plates. Fragments which are in continual motion.
Motion.
Next, when they brush past one another or one of them goes under another due to dash.
Collision.
Collision. Next, they cause disturbance.
Disturbance.
Disturbance in the earth's crust resulting in an earthquake. Number 2, tremors on the earth can also be caused when a dash or a dash hits the earth or an underground. What can be the answer for it? Tremors on the earth can also...
Volcano erupt or an meteor hits the earth.
Ma'am, meteor.
Meteor, or what is the next one? Second is?
Volcano. Ma'am, first का आएगा volcano erupt
No
and second
problem.
का आएगा meteor.
No problem. Volcano erupt.
मैम बट यहाँ पे ना वो हिट्स द अर्थ लिखा है ना, तो फिर मैम मीटियोर आएगा ना.
अच्छा चलो ठीक है बेटा, इसको एक्सचेंज कर लो. वॉल्केनो एरप्शन विल बी द फर्स्ट वन एंड मीटियोर विल बी द सेकंड.
And ma'am, the last is nuclear explosion.
And last is a nuclear explosion. Nuclear explosion. Okay. So this was your B part. I hope each one of you have done it.
Ma'am, please tell of A part, fourth.
This one, MCQs.
Yes, ma'am.
Second option is correct. B part. This
Ma'am,
one.
D. Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is the
Next, question number C part. Correct and rewrite the following statements. So first of all, we need to correct it. It's written, earthquake is a sudden trembling of the earth's surface due to the change in the atmospheric pressure. So it's not correct. This word, atmospheric pressure, is not correct. So what can be instead of it?
Ma'am, earth plates.
Yes, there is a change in earth plates. Next, the northeast belt of India comes under a non-seismic zone? So under what heading it comes?
Non-seismic zone.
Seismic zone. So that is a earthquake prone area. Next, number D, match the following columns. First is charges.
Attract or repel.
Attract or repel. D option is correct. Next is seismograph.
Magnitude of the earthquake.
Seismograph. That is a magnitude of the earthquake. Seismograph. Next is electroscope. Detection.
Detection of charges.
Yes, detection of charges. Next is conduction.
Charging by contact.
Yes, charging by contact. And in case of induction, C part.
Electric discharge.
No.
Opposite charges. develop at
Opposite
the
charges
near.
develop at the near end. And lightning, you may write down, that is electric discharge. Number C part is for B. Lightning is electrical discharge. Children, check it. Next, E part. Done everyone? D part? Next, E part is study the adjoining picture and answer the questions. Number A part is name the Y-shaped structure erected on the top of the building. As we are able to see,
Lightning conductor.
Y-shaped structure. It's a lightning conductor, or you may say that it is a spikes. On the top of the building, these are the spikes, or you may write down lightning conductor. Okay, so kindly write down whatever you want to write down. Spikes. Next, why is it placed there? Why the spikes are on the top of the building?
To protect the building from the effect of lightning.
Yes, to protect the building from the effect of lightning. Or you may say that the spikes attract the lightning. They are raised above the building so that lightning should, instead of falling on the building, light should fall on the spikes first of all. So that's why they can attract the spikes, attract the lightning. So you can write down, this is to protect the building from lightning. Write down, children. From lightning, to protect from lightning. Okay. Next, why is a Y-shaped structure connected to the ground? You know, one end is on the top of the building and second end is buried under the earth, buried under the ground. Why it is so?
So that the electric current can be transferred to the earth.
Yes. So that the electric discharge should be earthed. Or you can say charge should be earth. Charge should be earthed. Okay. Next is, up to here everybody has done?
Yes, ma'am.
Next part is, Tanmay opened a water tap and adjusting its flow to get a thin stream. Then he brought a charged refill near the water stream. What would What did he observe? First of all, read this question again. Did you understood the question or not? So Tanmay, what he did, he just opened a tap, and tap he has opened in such a way that a very thin stream of water should come out of the tap. Very thin stream of water. Now what he did, he just brought a charged refill near the thin stream of water. What he observed? Can you guess?
Ma'am, the refill will attract the stream of water.
Yes. The stream of water will be attracted by the refill. Why it is so? I mean, the stream of water, earlier it was falling down, but now what happens? It will change. It will be attracted. So what can be the reason for it?
Ma'am, because in refill there is a different charge.
Yes, because the refill is charged, and even moreover the water. What about the water? Water has also the charge. It's a conductor. That's why it gets attracted. Agar aapka water neutral hota, then the water does not get attracted towards the refill. So kindly write down, children. What did he observe? Water stream gets attracted. Water stream get attracted towards. Water stream gets attracted towards refill. Refill. Okay. Next, give reasons. As water is good conductor. As water is good conductor and refill is charged. Got it, everyone, beta? Is it clear? Next. On a dry day, what happened? Why do we get a slight shock on touching the screen of TV or computer monitor? Does it happen? First of all, tell me. On a dry day, when you just go near a TV screen, what happens? When you touch that screen of TV or computer, you just get a slight electric shock. First of all, tell me, does it happen or not? Yes, anyone? Yes, it happens or not? Question is understood or not? On a dry day, when you go near a TV screen or touch the TV screen or computer monitor, sometimes you feel a slight shock or certain vibrations you feel like. If it happens, then why happens? What's the reason behind it? So write down as humidity is less and screen gets charged by rubbing. By rubbing, or you may say that static charge. Okay. So this is answer, and this was your worksheet number 30. With this, your all worksheets are over till chapter number 15.